This is Lexin Smart Pump. So we've got this smart pump sent by Lexin, very kind of them, and I thought I'd put my hands on it first before Rich does, because he's got a pump that he always carries on his bike and has actually saved few people before, myself included. So I thought if there is anything I really have to have on my bike, it's the pump. So let's open the box. It looks nice on the box. Well, let's see how it is inside. Right, so that's your box. How to use leaflet. And we got, that's the pump itself. And then you've got this nice sleeve for your pump to go inside. Then you've got the valve, I don't know what you call it, but you need that to pump your tyres. Then you've got the charger, and then you've got two different extension to your valves. That is for football and all sort of stuff you probably will never need. So now you just screw in the valve connector on your Lexin pump. Let's switch it on. Alright, you have to hold on a bit longer. And you can see all your PSI and whatever else you need. You can see how charged is the battery. That's the, oh yeah, that's the light. So that's your torch. So obviously if you're somewhere in the middle of the night and you need to pump your tyres, you can see what you're doing actually. I do like that. That's a nice little detail. It comes right, it probably lights up to the valve connector. So that's cool. And then you can choose how much PSI do you need for your tyres. Very nice LCD screen. You can clearly see what you're doing. And it's also a smart pump, so it is going to remember what PSI I used last time. So as you can see, when you push the little star button here, you can see this is for football, basketball. This one is for push bike, this one is for motorbike, and then for your car. So it's always going to remember what you did last time. So let's say for my motorbike it's 36 psi, and that's what I'm going to use. So now you have to screw this one on into your bike. Just make sure you do not cross thread it, as then it's useless and you need to buy another one. And put it on. Well, here's the thing, I actually never done this before, and I definitely think this would be easier for me than trying to find a petrol station or whatever with a pump that I can use and then trying to figure out how to use that one and whatnot. Oh well, I could always call Rich, but I wouldn't, so just to show I can do it by myself, and anyway. Well, this little thing from Lexin is not just your average pump. It's got loads of modes, which I actually like. I could use it for my car and anything else that I needed. I can use it as a torch while doing my tyre or just when I need it. And also, I can use it as a power bank. All right, let's go and have a go. I'm trying to do one of the tyres, and I'm obviously going to try and Rich's bike, so just in case something goes wrong, it's his bike, not mine. What? Right, so you got your tyre. Now undo this screw. Now take your pump and make sure this slides in straight on, so there's not cross threading. And keep twisting until you hear it pop. Yeah, that's it. Keep going until it's tight. Now I can see, well for me, as I don't know very much, it could be worrying at first because it shows me 15.5 psi, and I know that this front tyre should be 36. So I'm just going to press the on button so it can pump up to 36 that I want. And as you can see, once the pump reaches the desirable PSI level that you set, it will switch itself off, so you don't have to worry about that. Next step is now to quickly unscrew the valve, because there's a point where you're actually letting the air out. Yeah, okay. So that's done. Pop the other cap back on. Make sure it's tight. And now you most likely got yourself out of trouble and you can carry on your ride. So as you can see, that was me using this pump for the first time ever. Very quick and easy, no problems at all. I'm just going to store this on my bike now for any future use. You can purchase this on Amazon. We will leave you a link below. And also any technical details you want to check, that will be in the description as well. And just so you know, it comes with 2 years warranty, so that's really handy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy your pump as much as I did.